Bright red is the sun on the waves of blue Sheelan. A cool gentle breeze from the mountain is stealing, while fair round its islets the small ripples play. But fairer than all is the flower of Finae. Her hair is like night, and her eyes like grey morning. She trips on the heather as if its touch scorning, yet her heart and her lips are as mild as May day. Sweet Eily McNair, the flower of Finae. But who down the hillside in red deer runs fleeter, and who on the lakeside is hastening to greet her? Who but Fergus O'Farrell, the fiery and gay, the darling and pride of the flower of Finae. One kiss and one clasp and one wild look of gladness. Why do they change on a sudden to sadness? He has told his hard fortune, no more he can stay. He must leave his poor lady to pine at Finae.